Hello. All right. So I'm going to go over the 3 strategies that I found helpful in this course. One strategy would be the IEP and the 504s, the information that was given to us about those, and how important it is to follow an IEP and a 504, and the difference between them. An IEP gives the student more time. It also gives the student the opportunity to move if they need to move. And a 504 is a little bit similar, but it has a little bit of different adjustments that they can make to it. So I really enjoyed being able to learn about the difference between those two. And going into teaching, it's very important because you could get sued for not following an IEP. So it's very important to follow it. I'm actually at a school right now with a teacher who is currently going to court for an IEP, and she wasn't even the student's teacher, and she has to go and sit in because she is one of the teachers here at the school, and they have asked her to do it. So it's very serious, so you want to make sure that you follow them exactly word for word of what they say you should be doing. Another one is classroom management. I think it's very important to know your classroom management, how to get your kids involved, how to make the learning experience fun for them. A lot of kids come to school, they not necessarily grow up in good houses or come from good homes. So as a teacher, you need to make sure that you are their second home. They're with you for 7-8 hours a day. So you want to make them feel welcomed, and you want to have the cultural diversity so that you are able to broaden it for everybody, the horizon for everybody, and kind of it gives an opportunity for everyone to learn about different cultures. Lastly is creating good feedback for my students is another strategy that I feel is very important. Good feedback is always important because those students that struggle all the time and they don't hear, oh, good job, you're doing good, and only the students that are the A students who are finishing their work all the time are always getting those A's are the ones that are told, oh, you're doing so good. It's hard for those other kids. So I think feedback to your students is very important. I also feel that you can't give a student enough feedback. I think that students put themselves down, or I can't do this, it's too hard, because they don't see themselves succeeding that way. And so I think it's very important to make sure that you are always encouraging your students, always telling them they're doing good, always tell them, you got this, we can do this. I currently am an RC teacher, which is where the kids that I don't want to say bad kids because I don't like putting it that way, but the kids that aren't behaving in class come in here, and I really work with them, and I'm telling them, you can do this. It's not hard. It may be hard, but you can do it. You just have to put your mindset to it, and giving them that reassurance and stuff. I've watched kids that had F's with a 20% go to a B+ in a matter of a couple days because they went and they put themselves into that work, and I helped them. So I think it's very important to be able to help those students. Thank you.